CID Bioscience is an industry leader in the design, manufacture, and marketing of scientific instruments for agricultural, environmental, and biotechnological research. Portable Laser Leaf Area Meter CI-202. The high-resolution laser scanner, data logger, and display are enclosed in a single handheld pallet unit weighing 1.8 kilograms. After activating the device by pressing the start key, a low-energy laser beam sweeps across the laser window 500 times per second at a rate of 150 meters per second. As the user moves the CI-202 control unit down the pallet, an optical sensor records the motion along a specially textured aluminum rail. Users can perform non-destructive measurements on leaves of living plants by simply sliding the scanner over the leaf, enabling the collection of data from the same plant or even the same leaf throughout the lifespan. Measures area, length, width, and perimeter, and calculates shape factor and aspect ratio. Precise leaf area measurement of even tender leaves is possible by employing a transparent sheath for protection. Standard USB port transfers data to the computer and recharges the battery. CID Bioscience, portable instruments for precision plant measurement. Check out CID instruments at www.cid-inc.com.